Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make slime. So this is my slime. It's very simple. You just need Elmer's all-purpose glue and any kind of clear glue. So this is the turnout. It's a pretty cool slime. I love the slime. It doesn't even stick to you. See? It doesn't even stick to you. If it just sticks to you, like me, you have to add, you have to add more clear glue. You're gonna add some more. Just a little bit, don't add too much.
For you? For me?
Okay. And then mix that. So the white glue is for slimier, and the clear one is for the other one. Slimier one. And this one for this one is for the clear one is for this one is for the